Before you begin, remove the access panel, optical drive, and front bezel. Removal. Remove the two Torx T15 screws securing the storage drive tray to the front of the chassis. Rotate the storage drive tray out and away from the chassis until it stops. Disconnect the cables running through the storage drive tray from the system board. While supporting the storage drive tray, remove the four Torx T15 screws securing the frame to the chassis. Remove the storage drive tray. Note: if you are installing a new storage drive tray, remove the following from the old frame and install onto the new frame: hard drive cables, optical drive cables. Replacement. Lower the storage drive tray into place and align the screw holes. While supporting the storage drive tray, replace the four Torx T15 screws securing the frame to the chassis. Reconnect the cables to the system board. Rotate the storage drive tray down, ensuring the guide pins are aligned with the slots on the chassis. Replace the two Torx 15 screws securing the storage drive tray to the front of the chassis.